your career? And why?
I couldn't. I don't know if it's during Viva times when I did a lot of movies. I did a lot of naging leading lady ako. And then I did my first solo movie, yung parang yung Anghel na Walang Langit. I don't know if that was my peak. Hindi ko alam during that time. Or I think during the time, yun yung mga Viva days ko. And hindi yung Dance Entertainment, yung Viva days, medyo a little bit older na. And then I did my album, released, I did Showgirl concert in Araneta Coliseum. I did it twice, we had a repeat. And then I did a tour in the US for Showgirl. I think yun yung mga times na sunod-sunod yung project. Pero thank God naman, hindi naman ako nawawala ng projects. You know, nandiyan pa rin kasi kung wala man akong teleserye or movies, meron akong napupuntahang iba. So, I get to sing. I get to record an album. I get to, naisingit ko pa nga yung kasi parang sabi ko, parang hindi kompleto kapag hindi ako